Hello friends, today I want to share with you about successful people quotations, and they have given the instruction to us, and there's so many things we can learn and we can develop in our life. So let's see what is the instruction, what is the things we can gain from this quotation. Then first of all, I want to read written by John Quincy Adams, and let me read. If your actions inspire others to dream more, learn more, do more, and become more, you are a leader. The John Quincy Adams, he said that if our action inspire others, like for example, if people can dream more, and also they can learn, if they can learn more because of our actions, that means we are you are the good leader, and you are the leader. John Quincy Adams, he tried to say. That means for example, if we live simply, and if we don't do anything, and also because of our action, if people if they don't influence because of our action, then we are not the leader. Then the things we here we need to know is that if unless we influence others, that means we are not true leader. Because of that reason, if we want to be leaders, and then your actions should influence others and inspire others, so that they can learn more, they can dream more, because of your action, and by seeing your action, and they may seek the, uh, the the leader quality. So we really need, and also we really need to develop this kind of character when we apply, and when we have this quality, then we also we also may become the leader. So let's go to next, and let's see the Benjamin what the Benjamin Frankel he said is, well done is better than well said. That means sometimes we can speak very good, but still our action is there's nothing accomplishment, or something like people cannot see the work. Because of the reason, Benjamin Frankel he tried to say is that when we well done, that is the better than well said. Because of the reason, our human life, the most important thing is our action, not the speaking. There's many people can speak very well, and they can talk, but still we cannot see that they accomplish something because of they put into action. They are far away from the action, and of course they speak very good, also, and they influence by speaking, but still the most powerful thing is the action is very important. Because of the reason, friends, in our life, if we want to be successful, then we need to put into action, and we have to apply this and also we need to work. And also next is saying that Thomas Jefferson, he said, ask not what your country can do for you, ask what you can do for your country. He tried to say is, sometimes we always look for the government, and our president, and also prime minister, and all, because what can my country can do for me, that kind of expectation, and something to gain, and to get something from government, that kind of expectation we have so many things. But then Thomas Jefferson, he tried to say is, instead of expecting your country, you have to say yourself, what can I do for my country? That kind of responsibility when you take, and when we know that you are the responsible, for your country, then of course there is so many things, big things we cannot do, but the small things, how what can we help our country, that kind of things we really need to do. And that's the he advice to us also. And also let's go to next. And it says, this also written by Thomas Jefferson. He said, nothing can stop the man with the right mental attitude from achieving his goal. Nothing on earth can help the man with the wrong mental attitude. So there's a two person, and the difference he gave us. One is who are right mental attitude. They can achieve their goal, and no one can stop them because of their right mental, and their mentality is right, and that is correct. Because of that reason they can achieve, and no one can stop them also. And when we see another one who are not mentally trained, and the way they thought, and their concept and their mentality is wrong. So if you advise them, if we try to build up them, so there's so many things which hinder them, and it cannot achieve their goal, and because of their mentality is wrong. Because of that reason, what Thomas Jefferson tried to say is, we first of all we need to build up our mentality, and if our mentality is right, then there's so many ways where we can achieve, and we can be success. And also there's people who try to stop also. Because of our right mental, no one can stop, and we can achieve so many things. So friends, today these are the things which we can see, is that there's so many successful people, they advise us, and they instruct us, so that we also can act like them, and also we also may achieve our goals, and also so many things. So thank you so much for everyone for watching and bearing for this with me, and also thank you so much for watching this video.